Hello everyone, this is my AEP 858 Data Analysis and Assessment, Module 1, our introduction videos. My name is Kane Hensley. Some demographics. I teach in the Rural Vista School District, USD 481. We are comprised of two K-12 buildings. One is White City Schools and the other is Hope Schools. I am currently the PE teacher at Hope Schools. We're a small 1A school with roughly 150 students in grades K through 12, and that is the same for both buildings. So overall, we have a total of about 300 students in our district. As I said, I'm a physical education teacher. I teach K through 12, mainly K through 9 PE. Then I have to teach the 9th graders health also, and then I have high school weights. I have some other responsibilities. I'm the high school assistant football coach, and I'm the high school head girls basketball coach. I'm married and have two daughters, a 9-year-old and 11-month-old here in a couple days, so both of them to keep us pretty busy. My hobbies are spending time with family and friends, and sports, either watching it or playing. Nowadays, I usually just stick to the easier sports, slow pitch softball and golf. And also, we are chasing our 9-year-old around, watching her do dance and softball and basketball and volleyball and all of that stuff. Critical reflection of our school. We have our in-service meetings where we go over content and data. A lot of times, since we're in a K through 12 building, we'll split up with elementary and high school, and they will meet to go over content. I know our elementary classroom teachers get together quite a bit to review their content. And then we also go over state testing. We do this at both levels, so the whole school can kind of see where we're at. And then now with the new KISA things, we have to go over graduation rates, not only for the seniors, but also for every grade, because we have to continually look ahead and make sure our students are passing, or KISA will ding us and it'll look bad on the school. We also have put a focus on attendance, not only just showing up to school, but being there on time as much as possible. This also goes with KISA. Another thing with KISA is we're working at community service and how to get the community more involved also. Personal critique. As a physical education teacher and prior to taking online courses for my master's, I had virtually no experience in data and analysis and stuff like that within the school and how it all works. So this is something that I have focused on the last year and have become more involved and become more comfortable working with data and stuff like that. But in my field of work in the physical education, I have to use reflection every day, all day, throughout the day. What works, what doesn't work, how do I improve some assignment, or what do I do to make it better? I also visually have to see my students that they can, for instance, throw and catch correctly. If they can't, what do we need to continue to work on, and how do we go about that? Obviously, there's no state testing in my field, but there are tests that we can do that I'm not a big fan of, but I don't want to go into that right now. So most of mine, like I said earlier, is visual. I have to look and see, are my kids comprehending what we are doing, and can we move on to the next step? Plan of improvement. Hopefully I can learn some more through this class, data analysis and assessment, and through other college courses that I have to take to finish up my master's. As I said earlier, I want to become more involved. I have, within the last year, became more involved with what's going on at school and more involved in the meetings with both our elementary and our high school staff members, just so I can get more comfortable and see how things work regarding data, state testing, attendance issues, and stuff like that. And as I said, I want to collaborate with the staff and administration more often. The administration is a little bit tougher. We have a tough situation with our administration, but like I said earlier, I won't go into that one either. But I'll try my best to continually get more involved. Wish you all luck this semester and look forward to working with you all. Thanks.